Today I'm testing how far the key signal reaches on my 2026 Ram 1500 Warlock. Now, this video idea started a few weeks ago when we were on vacation for the weekend, and I remote started the truck from quite some distance, and I was surprised that it actually had remote started the truck. So today I got a measuring wheel. I'm gonna go down this road and I'm gonna keep measuring until the signal no longer reaches. We're gonna get real technical here. Find the front of the bumper approximately. I'm gonna set up my wheel and then I'm going to zero it out. Let's get started. 5 feet. I'm glad 5 feet works. 25 feet. We're good at 25. 50 feet. I don't know, guys. I'm pretty curious what this number is going to be. I hope it's something impressive. Otherwise, I've wasted your time. 75 feet. We are good at 75 feet. Let's keep on going. All right. Or the big 100. We're good at 100. 125. All right. We're still in it to win it. My guess, I'm thinking maybe just shy of 300 feet. We're at 150 now. All right, I had to click it a couple times, but we got it. $175 feet. Easy. All right, 200 feet. What do you guys think? Well, we got it. Took a couple clicks, not gonna lie, but still counts in my book. We're getting farther out now. We got 225 feet. Second click, we're good. All right, 250 feet. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but this is some serious distance. I got it. Third click. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed. I know I said 300, but I kind of was thinking I'd be probably under that, but we're getting close to it. 275 feet. All right, guys. I got one more trick up my sleeve. I'm gonna put this key next to my head. Now, if you've not tried this trick before, what happens is the body, it's got a lot of water, a lot of salt, right? And these keys are generally 315 or 433 megahertz. Your body can actually, to a degree, amplify the signal. So let's give it a shot now with the reinforcements in place. All right, easy peasy with the head. We're gonna move onwards. All right, 300 feet. It's pretty far. No problem with the head, first click. Let's keep going. I hope we got enough road here. 325 feet. Uh-oh. Oh, I got it. I tried clicking the unlock button. We're still in it. I'm gonna cut down my increments a little bit because I think we're getting close to the max here. I'm gonna go to 335. Let's give it a shot. We got a trucker. I don't know if you can hear that horn, but I guess he's liking what we're doing. All right. We're at 335 feet. I think I'm out of range at this point. I'm gonna go back towards the truck. I'm gonna literally pull the wheel backwards I'm gonna go back to 330. All right, we're working at 330. Let's try 340. Maybe I just didn't have a good run there. Well, there you have it, guys. 330 feet. I think that's our final number. I'm going to try just remote starting the truck, because why not? Yeah, we had a good run, but 330 feet, that's the final number. That's pretty impressive. I'm not going to lie. That's the video. If you enjoyed it, go like the video, comment down below, subscribe, and also, if you're a current owner or you will be a Warlock owner in the future, consider also joining my Facebook group. It's called 2025 and Up Ram 1500 Warlock Owners. You can find the link to that in my bio. Thanks for watching.